Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I repair this angle grinder that starts and then stops. Let me show you. It'll be running, and then when this wire bends or twists, it will shut itself down and it'll come back on again and shut itself down. Now I'm pretty sure it's the wire that's defective on here and not the brushes, because of the way it shuts down when the wire is twisted. As you're grinding with it, it'll go off. It's very frustrating to work with. It'll be on and off, on and off. So that's short somewhere in the wire. Before we get started, the first thing to do is to unplug it. Make sure you unplug it. Let me get a screwdriver and we'll get started. Now this is a Drill Master by Harbor Freight. You can have the same situation with any angle grinder. This should slide off. I see a seam over here. Oh, came off a lot easier than I expected. Here's where your brushes, it should be one on the other side. So when these burn out, this is an easy repair. But I do believe it's this wire. Externally, the wire looks fine. It's connected. I don't see any breaks. It has to be underneath the casing that it's broken. I'm going to take this wheel off, put the cover back on. I'm going to start it up, and then I'm going to bend this wire to see where that break is. Once I do that, I'll disconnect the wire and start the repair. There we go. Here's where the break is, right here. See this? So when that wire would twist, it would make the contact, break the contact. You can see where it actually burnt the wire next to it. This slice over here, that's something that happened when I sliced it open. I'm going to cut out the break. I'm going to use solder and heat shrink to get this back together. So cut this break out. And when you're using the heat shrink, you want to make sure the heat shrink tubing is on before you do your soldering. Otherwise you'll be doing it again. So once I make this repair, I'll put it together. We'll see if it works. Well, I have it together. It's all buttoned up on the inside. If you have the circle terminals or the fork terminals, it would be a lot less work than splicing, soldering, and heat shrinking it together. But I didn't have them, so this is the repair I made. I twist it every which way. Twist it every which way. It's working fine. So that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, let me know and give it a like. Post your comments or questions down below, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z icon. And if you would like to help me with this channel, share it with other people who may like it or find it useful. And until next time, get it done and be safe.